So you're thinking about a nice starter camera for photography and video. Does it have to be a DSLR? Not really, but there's some amazing deals out there to check out. What I'm going to do is show you an example of something that is quite handy. Right now on screen I've got the 2000D, which is a Canon camera. It's part of a bundle, which means on Amazon you get a number of things with it. You may know I'm not a big fan of bundle deals, but at the moment the camera's been doing so well that the only one available is in the bundle deal. There's another option here, which is the 4000D. In the UK we know it as the 4000D. It is also known by other names, T7i in America, North America, and the 2000D is known as the T7. They were released very similar times. They're both aimed at beginners. Let me show you another one where it's not a bundle deal as such, and there's only one left in stock, so you got to be quick on this one. This is a bundle deal, but a good bundle deal, because you get two lenses, a zooming lens, and well, they're both zooming lenses, but one I'll call a kit lens, which is like a 18 to 55, and you've got a secondary lens like a 75 to 300. So if you're interested in getting your zoom on and you're doing maybe wildlife photography, or you're going out and you're maybe doing some holiday shots, so you're actually getting quite a bit of scenery, you'll have wide options to get good amount of scenery in it. So this kit, I like it better because you get a decent bag, the Canon bag, you got your two lenses, and it's a decent price, $699 that is. So that's one to keep an eye on. However, at the same time, because I couldn't find the camera on its own because it's been selling so well, I've got a secondary bundle, which is not a great bundle, but let me show you it. T7 18 to 55. So the camera, there's pictures there of lenses, but that's a bit confusing. You actually get one lens. That lens in the background is the same lens that's on the camera. It's just giving you a side view of it, so you're not getting two lenses there. With the battery charger, battery, and the lens caps and the carrying, they've taken pictures of that as if it's extras, but you should get that anyway with the camera if you're purchasing it. So again, this is a Rebel T7, a nice starter camera to get you into video and photo. So if I was looking at this, you can see the price there is $549. So this is the camera on its own, I'd say. But let's look at the deal version of this, which was the bundle. The bundle was $579. So the thing to think about here is, if you can pick this up at $579, you're basically getting everything else, 40, 50, 60, 70, 30 pounds, $30, you're getting these extra accessories. That gives you a rough idea of the quality of the accessories, because if you're paying $30-ish for all that stuff, they're fairly cheaper items. They're not going to be as great, so don't expect too much from them. The tripod there, you can see it will give you general use. It looks very capable of standard shots, but if you're going anywhere far with it, or you're doing any holidays or anything, I would say invest in a better tripod. This will get you started. You can use it, get used to how it works, and then once you've got your setup nailed and you're planning to do a long journey, or you're going away, or even if you're getting into photography quite heavily, you can slowly upgrade those things. So maybe buying the bundle isn't that bad, because for $30 you're going to get a couple of memory cards, you're going to get a few other additional things like a little cheap bag to keep everything together. These other things are not too expensive. The general unbranded type items, like for example the filters, the flash looks like an unbranded type flash. I might look into this more to give you more details about it, but that's basically two cameras that I'm looking at in terms of the starting range. So the 2000D and the 4000D. So that's two cameras that would be great if you're thinking about photography, video, and especially if you want it to be a DSLR. You have just seen a clip from my Zulf Talks Photography live show. You can actually see the full show if you wanted to by checking the description link, and these are the little nuggets of gold that you'll really like. If you've already seen a few of these clips, I'll highlight a few more. Here's one I've done before, and here's the next one you should watch. You'll learn a lot of interesting information. I'll see you on the next video.